Now to executive compensation. A preliminary look at the CEO pay at some of the country's biggest companies finds that pay at the highest levels of corporate America keeps going higher. Mary Thompson reports.
The biggest money for CEOs of big U.S. companies these days is in tech and media.
With all the new technologies and the significant improvements they bring to American life, I think American shareholders and investors are willing to pay those folks.
A preliminary look at the pay for the CEOs of the largest companies by revenue found Microsoft's new CEO, Satya Nadella, taking home over $84 million in 2014, thanks to a $79 million stock grant. Oracle's founder, chairman, and former CEO Larry Ellison pulling down $67 million, a huge number, but 14% less than in 2013. The numbers, courtesy of SEC filings called by the executive compensation research firm Equilar, looked at firms filing their proxies by April 3rd. The findings put Qualcomm's CEO in the number 3 spot with a more than $60 million paycheck tied to a big option award. Disney's Bob Iger, number 4, with over $43 million in comp, while number 5, CVS Health's Larry Merlo, took home just over $24 million. The early survey shows median CEO pay for some of the largest companies rose 5% last year to over $14 million, the average showing no change at close to $16 million. Professor Robert Jackson saying the increase reflects the adoption of pay for performance and the company's results.
American corporations have performed exceptionally well in the last 2 or 3 years for a whole variety of reasons.
Missing from the list, some big names with big paychecks, CEOs of firms whose revenues are too small to be included in the top 100, or firms that filed their proxies too late to be included in the survey. This includes Discovery's David Zaslav. Taking home $156 million, he would have been at the top of the list. But with Discovery's revenue just over $6 billion, it's too low to put it among the 100 biggest firms. CBS's Les Moonves missed the cut as well, as the firm filed its proxy after Equilar's deadline. Still, with a pay package of over $57 million, Moonves will sure to be at the top of the list when the final one is published in May. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Mary Thompson.